Hi, my name is Hannah Hatton. I'm the Registrar at Living Faith Bible Institute, and I'm here to introduce you to the Apologetics course we are offering this summer semester. The first thing I want to address is the fact that this course is a self-paced course, and all that means is each lecture and quiz taken unlocks the following lecture and quiz. So, for instance, you're going to start with week one, right? You'll watch that first lecture, and then you will take the week one quiz. And once you do that, you will then have access to week two's content. Let's look at your teacher assistant. That is Havala Ginther. And so she's going to be your main point of contact. So any questions, concerns, or anything you need, you want to reach out to her with her email right there that is on the syllabus. And so this course is just going to equip you to boldly prove biblical Christianity within a secular world while exemplifying a gentle and kind spirit. So you're going to learn all types of things within apologetics, which include like proofs for the reliability of Scripture, proofs of the Christian faith based in Scripture, and then proofs of the Christian faith based in science. And historical and legal evidentialism. So you have some measurable learning outcomes. So those are right there on the screen. So these are things that you should be able to understand and engage in and reason and even minister by the end of this semester. So real quickly, I just want to look at your assignments. So as I mentioned earlier, you do have those weekly quizzes. But then you have some major assignments as well. So you have an assignment based on Acts 13 to 28. And so what this looks like is you're going to read through those chapters within Acts. And as you do that, you are going to create a chart or a list, whatever you want, that displays the different examples of apologetics that you see within the Apostle Paul. And so in that, you should include the biblical passage, the topic of apologetic discussion, the audience, Paul's main point of emphasis, the response to his apologetic, and a short statement on how that has impacted you. And there are some questions also on your syllabus right here that kind of help you get started on your paper, and those are the questions that you're going to explain within that paper, because you're going to create that chart or list, and then you're going to choose one of those examples and then write a paper answering the questions that are on your syllabus within that paper. If you have other questions about that, please feel free to reach out to Havala Ginther, the TA. The next thing is that you want to make sure that you're taking notes as you watch the lectures in the class. And so you're going to have a short quiz where you're kind of asked about whether or not you have maintained adequate notes throughout the class. And then the last thing is you're going to read the book Stealing from God by Frank Turek. And after you read that book, you are going to write a paper answering the following questions that are on your syllabus as well. Something to always remember with these bigger assignments is when you click on them on your screen in Moodle and you scroll kind of to the bottom, you'll be able to see the rubric. So not only do you want to look at what's on the syllabus, you also want to look at the rubric to ensure that you're meeting all of the requirements within your paper or that assignment in Acts. I think that's all. We're excited for you to get started, and we're praying that it's an edifying semester for you. But again, reach out to Havala Ginther if you have any questions, and have a great summer.